I was correct regarding the recent crash of Shiba Inus, but this is only the beginning. You should not miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inus or own SHIB tokens. Then what's the most recent update on the Shiba Inu coin? What effect will this have on the Shiba Inus worth? In today's video I'll address these concerns and fill you in on all the recent news that has increased the value of Shiba Inus. Please watch the entire video from beginning to end so that you do not miss any of the material that I have gathered. Additionally, before we continue, this channel is giving away 1 million Shiba tokens every single day. Subscribe to the channel, like the video and comment with the hashtag Shiba Inu to be entered. Wishing you the best. Whales of Shiba Inu sell 801 billion tokens in a single day. In the last 3 days, how has this affected SHIB? As a result of the extensive meltdown, the cryptocurrency markets have been extremely volatile and investors, merchants and whales have all shown increased anxiety and worry. So Shiba Inu whales started selling when the market plummeted. The number of sell-side whales has increased dramatically throughout the last day. Shiba Inu whales have sold 801.04 billion tokens, up from 180.76 billion the day before, according to Into the Block. The withdrawals of major holdings increased by 343.18%. It appears that Shiba Inu whales are more interested in selling than buying, as indicated by the spike. Furthermore, capital inflows have lagged behind sales by major holdings. The major holders' net flow went into negative territory and saw a steep reduction, thus it was clear. The net flow was 256.9 billion as of the time of press. A negative net flow indicates that capital is leaving the system at a faster rate than it is entering it, typically from large holders. Consequently, whales only purchased 544 billion tokens over that time. Large holdings appear to be at a crossroads, lacking conviction with the market as shown by such a negative imbalance. Massive selling by whales indicates that they are pessimistic and anticipate a decline in prices. It follows that they sell in order to reduce their losses. What effect on SHIB? The increased unloading of Shiba Inus from whales has unsurprisingly had a negative effect on their price movement. From a peak of 1,173 units to a low of 1,125 units, the meme currency has fallen on the daily charts. The Shiba Inu was selling for 1,131 units at the time of this writing. After exhibiting indications of improvement and increasing by 8.45% the previous day, this dip indicates that the market is starting to feel the effects of whale selling. Can we expect Shiba Inus to suffer further setbacks? When will the meme coin be available? The research team at AMB Crypto found that Shiba Inu was subject to intense selling pressure and rapid price declines, decreasing stock RSI and MACD as seen by the data. In the last day leading up to the time of publication, the stock RSI fell from 11 to 3.23. A dive of this magnitude indicates the downward trend is more robust than previously observed. The MACD line's descent into negative territory further validates this. The fact that these momentum indicators are falling indicates that the current trend will likely continue. Consequently, if selling pressures are high and the negative momentum does not abate, the Shiba Inu population might fall to 1,000. A daily closing of 1,142 units or higher is required for the meme coin to indicate a bullish reversal. Please, if you are still here, hit that like button. Your support means the world to me. With no out-of-pocket expense, you can show your support for the channel. If you want to know what's happening with Shiba Inus and where the currency could go from here, you'll have to see the show. Eyewitnesses Shiba Inus increase in key on-chain measure of 784%. What is happening? Interest in the cryptocurrency market has been piqued by the 784% increase in a key on-chain metric for the dog-themed coin Shiba Inu. The Into the Block data shows that Shiba Inu is witnessing a large holder net flow spike of 784.8%. This metric measures the movement of tokens among wallets that hold substantial amounts, usually large-scale investors and pension funds. A net flow increase of 784% indicates that these major companies are either heavily repositioning themselves or are amassing Shiba. Large holder inflows, which measure the amount of money flowing into whale addresses, have also increased by 315.4%. The meat of today's video is about to begin. Some items are coming out shortly, while others are really huge, according to the Shiba Inu team, will develop gradually. Amid mounting macroeconomic challenges, the cryptocurrency market has witnessed extreme volatility. Notable assets such as Shiba Inu and Ethereum have been affected by Bitcoin's decline to $76,000. Notably, the assault has also hit the second largest meme currency, which is doggy-themed. Over the last week, Shiba Inu has fallen 9%, bringing its year-to-date fall to 48%. The Shiba Inu Ecology Group, however, thinks this drawback will only last for a short while. An ex-post by Lucy, a Shiba Inu marketer, recently urged fans to look past the bleak state of the industry and anticipate the rollouts that would alter the course of the ecosystem. From the back, things are different. Lucy revealed that the team's dedication to construction has been unaffected by the depressed market sentiment. Continually, she assured the Shiba troops the ecosystem leaders look for ways to encourage innovation, tease and impending deployment. Lucy emphasized that the Shiba Inu ecosystem would soon be introduced to new technologies, which is a result of the leadership team's strategy to move beyond mere rhetoric and into practical application. Ahead of the innovation's release, the marketing lead did not reveal anything specific to fans, but she did say that it is almost ready. Also, she noted that even bigger things were on the way, which piqued the interest of the Shiba army even more. There are additional rollouts, the famous marketer stressed, and they are so large that they will unroll over time. However, Lucy pointed out that support is growing and encouraged those in favor to disregard the trolls. Spreading fear, uncertainty and doubt gets you nowhere. Hello, Lucy. In addition, Lucy emphasized that doubt, worry and uncertainty accomplish nothing. She urges advocates to pay attention to what matters most and claims that the ecosystem is unaffected by meaningless dramas and trolls. She emphasized the need of keeping an eye on decentralized finance, technological advancements, and the actual development being made by the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Building solid innovation would outlive periods of recession like this, the marketing lead implied, but form is transient. Lucy went on to say that advocates might take use of new chances that have recently emerged. To provide some background, the Shiba Inu Group has just released Karma on PuppyNet, an L2 network activity tracking and reward system.